everyone, it's Miss Wilder, and today we're going to be doing something called the egg membrane experiment. And for this experiment, we're going to try to see if we can get rid of everything on the inside of the egg and just leave the outside or the membrane left. And for this experiment, all we're going to need are 2 glasses, these can be glass or plastic, some vinegar, some eggs, and a push pin. And to start out the experiment, you're going to want to take your egg and put 2 holes, one at the top and one at the bottom, with your push pin. So it's going to take a couple of tries, and you're going to want to make sure you push it in a couple times around it to make it big enough. And once you have one hole at the top, you might want to poke your second hole over a sink or over a cup, so if anything spills out, it doesn't ruin your workspace. Once you have your 2 holes, you are going to try to blow out the yolk from inside of the egg by putting your lips on the top part of the hole and blowing downwards. So as you can see, I blew out the entire yolk so that the egg is now hollow. Next, I'm going to fill up my empty cup with vinegar. And I'm going to put my hollowed out egg right inside. You might want to put a spoon inside so that the egg is completely submerged in the vinegar. You're going to want to leave your egg in the vinegar for 2 to 3 days. After the first day, you're going to start seeing parts of the old shell on top of your vinegar. That's when you're going to want to clean out your old vinegar and put in new vinegar, and then put your egg back in. Leave it in there for another day. After 3 to 4 days, you will have completely created your egg membrane. So we're going to pull it out and go ahead and let all the vinegar out. And then dry it off. Now that you have your egg membrane, you can bounce it around in your hands for a couple seconds, and then you'll start to see that the egg membrane will fill up with air. When it fills up with air, it'll start to resemble an actual egg. Mine's taking a little bit to fill up with air, so I'm gonna dry it off a little bit more. It might help to blow into the holes of the egg, like I'm doing here, to help it fill up with air faster. Now in my hands, you can see what looks like a normal egg. As I was bouncing it back and forth, it started to fill up with air from the holes. So now, if you want, you could trick your friends by showing them the egg and then folding it in half. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you try it at home. See ya.